All right, check out what I just got for the GTR. That's right, folks. Cobb access port. Let's get this guy opened. Cool little keychain. Boom. What I'm doing right now is I'm actually going to do a quick little tune. So my car just has a catback exhaust on it, but the transmission's been acting a little funky. So I'm gonna do a transmission tune, and I'm gonna do maybe a stage one. I gotta see what they are, what my options are. TCM service, adjust clutch touch points and clutch gears learning. That's what I need. Clutch gear learn. This operation will take a few minutes to run. Let's do it. So it says that we have to wait for the transmission oil to reach 50 degrees Celsius, but below 85 degrees Celsius, and do not press the accelerator pedal. So I'm at about 95 degrees right now. I don't know what 50 degrees Celsius is, so let's find out. Convert 50 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit.
The answer is 122 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay, so we gotta wait for this number to get up to 122 degrees. So I guess I'm just gonna keep waiting. We're at 123 degrees now, which is right where we need to be. So let's do this clutch relearn procedure. Please wait while the gear learning is being performed. This will take a few minutes. So the gauge in the dash says TM system check in progress, and I can hear the transmission making noises. I'm pretty sure you guys can't hear it, but I can hear the transmission making noises. So that's cool. You can definitely tell that it's doing something. Okay, that was it. Gear learning has been performed successfully. So I'm gonna drive it and see what changed. So the thing that prompted me to do a clutch gear relearn on my GTR is because I've been noticing that it's been shifting weird into third gear, going out of second gear, and what happens is it doesn't shift out of second gear on time, and it hits the rev limiter, and then it shifts really slow into third gear and then really hard into the next gears. And then also yesterday I was racing someone, and the car kind of bogged down and then it took off, and so something's going on with the transmission. So I'm doing this, and hopefully I won't have those problems anymore. I'm about 95% sure this is gonna fix it. And I really started noticing these problems after I put the exhaust on, and I think it's just because the exhaust made the car faster. It's hitting the transmission harder somehow, I don't know. But anyways, let's see how this goes with this new clutch gear relearn, and let's see if it's any smoother. I'm in rush hour traffic, and the transmission seems to be so much better. This clutch relearn made a huge difference. It's a lot smoother. It doesn't sound as clunky. It sounds a lot smoother. So I'm really pleased, and it's only been a couple miles. All right, you guys, I got my access port ready to go. I know which tune I'm gonna use, so let's go ahead and get it installed. Okay, so please confirm that your vehicle matches identification results 2017 GTR USDM. That is correct. Okay, so I'm going to use a stage 1 tune, stage 1 ACN. I believe that's Arizona, California, Nevada 91 octane. So I'm going to put this one on. Okay, the access port is going. Do not turn off vehicle or unplug access port. Please wait while the access port flashes the vehicle. Well, here we go. Okay, so as we're going through this, we're getting a lot of crazy warnings on the dash. It keeps saying you missed it. TM system malfunction. Oh, here we go. Please confirm that your vehicle matches. Oh, okay, we're gonna do some TCMs. Okay, I see. Stock style. I'm gonna go with this one because it's version 102, which I'm assuming that's what V102 means. This says V100. This says V100. So I'm just gonna try version 102, I guess. Do not turn off the vehicle. All right, I guess we're going again. All right, don't mind the beeping. This says installation successful. Please turn ignition key to the off position for at least 15 seconds before starting the vehicle. So let's wait 15 seconds and then turn her on. All right, it's been more than 15 seconds. We're gonna turn the car on and see how this tune worked. So I did a stage 1 tune with 91 octane gas. That's the highest that we have here in California for regular street driving. And then I also did a TCM tune for a stock style tune, but their stock style tune is just a little bit better. Let's drive this thing. Let's see what we get. We're gonna go on to this one right here. Okay, so right now it's just basic driving. Shifts seem to be a little bit higher, although I don't know what they were before. This is just what I'm thinking in my mind. Yeah, so normally my car would shift into like 5th gear by now, and it's holding 3rd gear. That's actually really cool, because one of the things was the transmission just shifted way too early. Shifts at 2500. Okay, before I get out onto the main road, I'm gonna change my battery on my camera. I only have 8% left. So we got the battery changed, and we're gonna keep this ride going. Loving these new shift points. This is great. Here's what we've been waiting to see. Okay, car did not like something. What the fuck was that? Car just backfired. Great. So right now I have a warning: TM system malfunction, engine system malfunction, visit dealer. Hold on a second, I gotta look under the hood. Look at this. How does that pop off? This just popped off. Okay, I'm gonna get that fixed. Hold on, stand by. Okay, so I'm gonna try starting the car up now and seeing what happens. Okay, so luckily this thing can clear the codes. ECU reset successful. Please turn ignition key to off position for at least 15 seconds. I think that's been 15 seconds. Okay, all the lights are off. I'm gonna try driving again. I'm not going to get on it because the car doesn't like something. I'm wondering if just maybe the increased boost is what popped that thing off. So let's try driving again. Okay. Seem to be doing okay. I'm thinking that with the increased boost, I didn't check those hoses coming from the intercooler, and I'm wondering if the increased boost just popped it off. Okay, so it turns out I was overreacting for nothing. The increased boost popped off the hose, and so what I did is I put the hose back on, I tightened it down really good, I checked the passenger side, that one was also loose, so I tightened it down as well, and then I just gave one of my buddies who deals with GTRs a lot, I gave him a call and told him what was happening. He was like, nope, it's from the increased boost, you're totally fine, just check the hoses, make sure that everything is nice and tight, because increased boost can and will pop off hoses if they are loose, as we just learned. So I tightened everything down. The car is running great, and I'm really happy with the Cobb tuner. The stock style TCM tune is great, and the mild stage 1 tune that I put on is awesome. I can feel a little bit of a difference, so I'm really happy with it. So thanks again for joining me on today's video. I really appreciate you guys coming by. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that notifications bell, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Once again, thanks for stopping by, and I will see you in the next video.